Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Tonight on the menu we have some cheesy garlic bread here, and I have two different kinds of pastas here. We are trying a new place in town called Dough Box. They make specialty pizzas and specialty kind of pasta, but you can do like a pick your own type of thing. Like when you go in, it kind of looks like Subway, which is actually kind of cool. So this one here is, sorry, I have my phone open because I needed to figure out what was on it. So this is the grilled vegetable, and I picked the linguine noodles. Sorry guys, I am wearing my sunglasses too because it's really bright. I have my glasses if it decides to calm down. So it's pesto sauce, mushrooms, sauteed onions, roasted red peppers, and spinach. Sounds delightful to me. And then this other one here that I have is the chicken Tetrazzini, which is Parmesan Alfredo, cherry tomatoes, button mushrooms, chicken, and a hint of basil. And then this is their garlic cheesy bread, which everything smells so good right now. So I'm actually going to dig in. And I want to try this one, because this was the one that really caught my eye. Honestly, I thought the portions were going to be bigger. I'm totally okay with the portion size, for myself, because I'm not going to eat all of this anyways by myself, but I just feel like I thought it was going to be bigger. I like that you could choose between linguine or penne. So I got one penne, one linguine. Guys, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. That's good. You can add chicken, you could add a protein. You could add, I don't know what else you could add. Sorry, I forget. What is it? Oh, meatballs. You could add sausages. I'm just gonna turn that off. This is, some of you guys know I'm not a huge pasta fan. I do love a good pesto sauce though. This is good. Chantel, yes, we decided well. Thank you. She's like, I've been waiting for a video. And I'm like, okay, I'll do one tonight. That is so good. You guys can't see my hair. My hair is just it's fine. I'm not going to apologize for how my hair looks. I dropped off the order and I literally just ran out here to eat. This garlic bread. Uh-oh. If it tastes as good as it looks, and their pizzas come they're all the same size, and they look really, really good. But I was like, no, I want to just try the pasta, and I'm home alone, so this looks like more dough than cheese, and I just want a really good, I want to try a, guys, holy shit. Yum. Okay, the sun's died down a bit. There we go. Oh my gosh. That's good. It's really light and airy. It's not thick, dense. You know, sometimes you can get garlic bread and it's just a chunk of dough. I don't like that. I actually really, really enjoy this. Oh, come on. Did you guys just see that? It was like a mini porn. 2 flies. Doing it in my box of garlic bread. This was a great idea. Thank you guys for voting pasta. And I apologize that it took me so long. This week has just been weird. I don't know what that is on top. It must be maybe spinach too. So this is the Alfredo. I thought they would come in maybe like clear containers or something. So unfortunately you guys can't like really like see them. I guess I could have dumped them into different containers, but I actually like that they come in like these plastic, well, it's like a cardboard thing. I like it. This smells really good too. Oh no, it's cherry tomatoes. I was like, I didn't know this had peppers in it too. But it's a tomato. There was no option for me to not get chicken in it. But typically if I like want a pasta, like I don't really want like extra in it, if that makes sense. I want a mushroom to go with my bite. That's really good too. I'm eating here again. Absolutely. Even just to try the pizza. I'll do like another video with you guys. Maybe I'll like order some pizza. This one, the Alfredo, is definitely more like, I feel like Jacob and Scott would like this one more. For those of you that don't know, that's my husband and my son. And I'm more of like a pesto and like vegetable. Very good. They didn't have what am I trying to say? For a pasta place, so it's dough box. So they do the pizzas, they do like a salad, like just a regular, like they do, I think they do like a apple pecan salad, Caesar salad, and another one, I can't remember. But I figured that they would do like regular spaghetti, if that makes sense to anyone other than me, but they don't. So that's kind of weird. Not that that's what I would have ordered, but like I just figured. And I figured that they would have had like a fettuccine Alfredo type of thing other than just like the Parmesan Alfredo. So I don't, like, obviously it sells and it is really good. The pesto one for sure. Because it just has like Parmesan grated in. It's like there's enough like oils kind of in it to like separate the pastas out. This is really good. The price, although I did order it on Skip, so the prices are probably like a little bit different. I'd have to check the regular menu. To see what prices actually are. I feel like I've been so excited to try this. Excuse me. Also, since my order was over $35, they gave me a free oatmeal raisin cookie. Yum. Which I can't eat. So when Jacob gets home from baseball, he'll have a cookie to eat. And I can't eat it because it has cinnamon in it. For those of you that don't know, I am allergic to cinnamon. Yeah. Yep. Wow. I would just go and buy the garlic bread. Like I could just have like a Caesar salad or like a garden salad or something. And then just have bread on the side. I was like trying to show you guys there more of nature. Did you guys do anything fun on the long weekend? How are you all? I'm like, what did I do this weekend? It was Canada Day on Friday. And then I went to a wedding on Saturday, which was like super fun. Open bar. So I drank a little bit. I was like super excited because I was like, oh, I'm gonna get like I'm gonna drink. And then I really didn't end up drinking like that much. Like I ended up drinking, but yeah, I ended up getting like a migraine. It was like it was a long day for us, and we had to travel like an hour to go. So anyways, it was fun. Had some drinks. The food was really good. Excuse me. Oh, there, I see it. I was like, where is that bird? It's very close. If I went into the place to order, like if I did like I feel like, because you can do like a build your own pizza, so I'm assuming you could do like the make your own pasta. I think so. I don't know if I saw that, but I would just not put the red peppers in, or I would ask for very minimal, as there is quite a few red peppers in here. I'm just not a huge fan of cooked red peppers. There's a lot of noises happening around me. I feel like I already asked, but has anybody else had this dough box? I'd never heard of it until it came to town. And I honestly haven't, excuse me, talked to anyone who's had it. So let me know if you have ordered from there, or if you've eaten, or if you know someone and they said anything about it. Like, what's good? Like, what's good from there? I'm not like a huge like feta and There's a couple other different cheeses, and I was like, I just really like mozzarella on my pizza. I know, that's very boring. But that's just who I am. Garlic bread, though, you can win me over with garlic bread. Just give me some garlic bread, put on a good movie, cuddle me up. I was laying out in the sun yesterday. I mean, compared to this, I'm tan. But then if you put me next to like a regular person, they're like, you're so white. And I'm like, I'm actually like really tan. Anyways, I was sitting out in the sun. I have like the most awkward sunburn on myself. And I was like trying to get a little bit of color. But it then ended up just being like a weird... I had sunscreen on my face. And my face just got red. On my chest, it's like only on one side. My legs, it's like just my shins. I was like, I don't know what is happening. My stomach is red, but it's my belly button that is like the most irritated. Like in like the around my belly button is like just like the color of my peppers. I'm like, really? Belly button? Why do you gotta be like that? But I'm fine. Obviously. I mean, I've had some pretty horrific burns in my life. And this has absolutely no comparison. I don't want to gross you guys out, so I won't talk about them. But as a ginger with fair skin, yikes. Honestly, I was just gonna get this Alfredo because I was like, oh, like who doesn't like Alfredo? Me, apparently. That's the thing, is like I'm so picky with like pasta sauces. I'm trying to like eat the mushrooms because even if I give this to the boys, they won't eat the mushrooms. But I like wanted, so I was just gonna order this one because I was like, oh, it's Alfredo, like I know it's gonna be good. But I had my heart, like I was like, I really kind of want to try that pesto, but I didn't want it to get here. I may not like it. So I am glad that I ordered both, because I actually like this pesto one better. Nathan sent me a picture of his pizza earlier, his Domino's pizza, while I was still at work. I was like, oh, that looks so good. Excuse me. Like, what else did I do this weekend? Nothing. Sunday was a very like relaxing. I just can't get what I want on my fork. There we go. I like Some people know, some people don't know. I have like sensory issues. And I know that like a lot of people are like, oh yeah, no, like I don't like loud music either and stuff like that. But like my sensory issues have been like really, really bothering me lately, especially because like since I started getting really bad migraines. So anyways, I think that's why I ended up started getting a headache on Saturday night, was because I had been drinking, but like also because like the music was so loud, and like the bass was like, and there was like 3 other weddings in this venue too, because it's just like a huge venue that they can split up into like different rooms. But you know, some people say like, oh, I only have like so much, like my social meter can only take so much, and then I just like shut down. I did, like I just started to shut down. Scott was like, I'll go get your medication. He's like, we're gonna go soon. And I was like, okay. Just like sitting at the table, like trying not to let people see me like how upset I was. I just can't. Loud music, I just have never been able to handle loud music. But only like, I don't know. It's really hard to explain. But anyways, I don't know why I was just thinking about that, but let's have another piece of bread. And it's mostly just red peppers left in the bottom. And I actually ate quite a few. It's good. I recommend it. Now I want to try more things. So hopefully one of you, 2 of you, can suggest more. Because this was delightful. Ooh. Okay, guys. I think I'm pretty much done. I'll probably pick out the rest of this. I might just put the peppers into the Alfredo. See if the boys will eat it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight, trying this. Chantal, I hope this was good. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it at work when I see you. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. So I had the pesto and I had the Parmesan Alfredo. No, chicken Tetrazzini. Sorry if I've been saying, what have I been saying this whole time? That was the chicken Tetrazzini. And this was the pesto. No, this was the veggie. Where am I? Anyways, guys, it'll be in the title because I'll figure it out when I edit the video. I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you so much for joining me for the pasta. I'm gonna order from here again, so if you guys want to see anything specific, let me know. Let me know how you guys are doing. Like this video, obviously. If you haven't yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. Check out some of my other content. I think we're gonna be outside a lot this summer, although it's nice and cool kind of like tonight, but we'll see if it's like really humid. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up and maybe have an ice cream while I'm still home alone. Excuse me. Have a good night. Bye.